This video explains how you can create these circles with the dashed border, or rectangles with the dashed borders, or for that matter any shape with the dashed border. For that, what you have to do is you have to go to this rectangle tool, or any other tool you can choose from here, polygon tool, ellipse tool, etc. So I'm gonna select rectangle tool, and what I'm gonna do is just draw the rectangle, and this is how it will look like once you draw it. But you can see here the border is continuous, it is not dashed one. So to add the dashed line, you have to select here at the top, and then what you have to do is you can select different options there like that, and you can also modify the way this border or dashes are shown. For example, if you want to align it inside or center, that is how you can change it. Then you can also round the caps, and another important setting is how much spacing you want, what should be the length. For example, if you put here a dash length, let's say 8, look at how it changes. The length is increased and gaps is the same, but if you want to increase the gap at the same time, just put there 4, or let us say if you want more gap, then you can put it like that. So that is how you can change those settings there. And it is not applicable for just rectangle, but it is applicable for other shapes as well. For example, let us take this ellipse tool for the matter, and let us draw one ellipse there, and you can see here this border is coming in that particular way. And again you can also go to more options and again change it there. So that is how you can create these different shapes with dashed borders in Photoshop. If you have more questions, let me know through the comments. Thanks for watching this video.